Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to design metallic gold text effect in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new HD canvas. Fill the background with dark gradient like blue or gray. Select the type tool and type your text in a bold serif font. Right click the text layer and choose blending options. Apply gradient overlay using gold tones like yellow, orange and brown. Set the gradient style to linear and adjust the angle. Add bevel and emboss for realistic highlights. Change techniques to smooth and set depth around 200%. Adjust highlight mode to screen and shadow mode to multiply. Apply inner glow with warm golden inner and add satin effect for subtle shine variation.